Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be optimizing your PC so that it is running at its best performance. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, without doing anything, we want to make sure that we have a safety measure. So we're going to create a restore point. So to do that, you want to go down to the bottom left, click on the search icon and search up create a restore point. Once you have done that, simply click on create a restore point. Once it has loaded, you want to click on local disk, go over to configure, make sure that system protection is turned on, go over to max usage, make sure that it is set to 5%, click apply, then OK. Now you want to go over to create, and you can name it whatever you want. I already have mine created, so I don't need to do so. But once you have done that, click create, then click apply, then OK. Now, once we have done that, we can go ahead with the optimizations. So, first up, you want to go down back into the search icon and search up adjust the appearance and performance. So then it will come up with adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Simply click on it and make sure this is set to the best performance. This is if you guys want every single bit of performance to optimize your PC and get every single piece of FPS for your game. If not, you can just copy mine. This is just for animations like so, but if you want every single piece of FPS for your game, you can click on adjust for best performance. Now, once you've done that, click apply, then go over to advanced, make sure processor scheduling is set to programs, then go over to virtual memory, go over to change. Now this is not going to be that complicated, but just all you need to do is use a calculator. So make sure that automatically manage paging file size for all drives is unchecked. Then go over to custom size. Now for your space available, make sure that you have enough space. Then all you want to do is look over to your recommended, and for me it says 1140. All you want to do is click on the search bar and search up calculator. Open up your calculator and make sure you keep it on the side. So, for example, if you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, you want to do 1140, which is my recommended, times 4. Then it comes up with 4560. All you want to do is copy, then paste it into here and here. Once you've done that, you want to click set, then OK. But if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, you can do 1140 times 8. So copy that, paste it in both of them, and so on. But I'm just gonna keep mine to the default. I have 4 gigabytes of RAM, so I can just click OK, and we can exit out. So now once we have done that, it will ask you to restart. Make sure that you restart and not shut down and open again. There is a difference between shutting down and restart. If you shut down, it will not save the changes. If you restart, it will save the changes. So make sure that you are restarting and not shutting down. Anyways, now all you want to do is go over to your file explorer, go over to your local C drive, go to properties, then go to this cleanup. Once you're here, so you can calculate all of the files you have. All you want to do is click on thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bin, delivery optimization files, DirectX cache, Windows error reports, temporary internet files, and program files. All you want to do is click on clean up system files, wait for it to load. Then once it has loaded, you can delete this as well. You want to click on OK and delete. Now all it's going to do is clean up the drive. Don't worry, it will not clean up your downloads or anything like that. It's just cleaning up random junk files in your drive. Then once you're done, you want to click OK and exit out. Now all you want to do is make sure your recycling bin is empty. So go ahead and to the search bar, search up recycle, Then, oh, for some reason mine isn't showing up, but yours will. Simply, I don't know why it's not showing up. Hold on, let me try again. Recycle. Okay, yeah, mine is not showing up for some reason. But yeah, all you want to do is make sure that it is empty, and then we can go ahead with the next step. So, what are you going to do? You're going to go back to the search. You're going to type up run, click enter, then it'll come up like so. You want to search up temp, wait for it to load. You want to delete all these files, right click, delete. Once that is done, you click exit, do the same thing again, run, back into here. You want to do percentage temp percentage. In here there will be a lot more files. This is all just temporary files that you do not need. I already cleaned mine like yesterday, so there won't be that much, but for you guys there will be a lot, I can say that. Then last but not least, you want to go ahead to your prefetch. Prefetch, it will temporarily for, I don't know, for me it does slow down for around 5 to 10 minutes, but then it will definitely speed up your PC. But this is only because it is deleting a lot of cache and files that you don't need, and it does take a lot of time and a lot of CPU usage, but don't worry, it will not fuck up your PC, I can say that the least. Simply click delete. Then do this for all, click skip. Now once you've done that, you click exit, go over to your recycle bin. Obviously I can't see mine for some reason, but yeah, and make sure that it is deleted from there. Now all you want to do is go back down to your search bar, search for Windows Update. Make sure that that you have no updates that are needed, otherwise it would just be lying around in your PC somewhere waiting for it to be updated. Then there will be several more updates coming and it will just start stacking, and you do not want that for your PC. So once it's loaded, you just want to click for check for update. Mine is taking some time. Yeah, click check for update, check if you have any updates. If you do, download them. Then once that's done, you click exit and you're done there. So that is the end of this video. I will make a part 2 for this, so stay tuned and subscribe.